Hey gamers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of competitive gaming peripherals with a look at the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless gaming mouse. Designed for speed, precision, and comfort, this gaming mouse is an absolute game changer for anyone serious about their performance. Whether you're an esports professional or a casual gamer who wants to elevate their setup, the Pulsefire Haste 2 promises to deliver everything you need for seamless gameplay. Let's explore its design, features, performance, and why it stands out in a crowded market of gaming mice. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 53 grams, it's one of the lightest wireless gaming mice on the market. This feather-light build is ideal for fast-paced games like FPS and MOBAs, where every millisecond counts. The mouse features a solid shell design, a significant upgrade over its predecessor's honeycomb pattern. This not only gives it a cleaner aesthetic but also enhances durability while maintaining its lightweight nature. Its ergonomic shape is crafted to fit comfortably in your hand, no matter your grip style, palm, claw, or fingertip. The matte texture adds a premium feel while ensuring a firm grip during intense gaming sessions. Wireless connectivity. One of the standout features of the Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless is its dual connectivity options. 1. HyperX 2.4 GHz wireless. This ensures ultra-low latency for competitive gaming, delivering a near-wired experience without the hassle of cables. 2. Bluetooth. Perfect for casual use or connecting to multiple devices on the go. With up to 100 hours of battery life on a single charge, this mouse can handle marathon gaming sessions without breaking a sweat. When you do need to charge, the USB-C port ensures quick and hassle-free charging. Precision and performance. Let's talk about what really matters, performance. The Pulsefire Haste 2 is equipped with the HyperX 26K sensor, offering 26,000 DPI and a tracking speed of 650 IPS. Whether you're sniping enemies from a distance or making rapid movements in a heated battle, this sensor provides pinpoint accuracy and responsiveness. You can customize the DPI settings in increments of 100, allowing you to fine-tune the sensitivity to match your playstyle. Switches and buttons. The Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless uses HyperX's custom mechanical switches, rated for 100 million clicks. These switches offer tactile feedback and a snappy response, perfect for competitive scenarios. The mouse has 6 programmable buttons, including 2 thumb buttons on the side. Using HyperX's NGENUITY software, you can remap these buttons, set macros, and adjust lighting effects to suit your preferences. Ultra Smooth Glide. Another feature worth mentioning is the PTFE skates on the bottom of the mouse. These skates ensure a smooth glide across any surface, whether you're using a mousepad or a bare desk. HyperX even includes a spare set of skates in the box for when the originals wear out. RGB lighting. No gaming setup is complete without some RGB flair, and the Pulsefire Haste 2 delivers just the right amount. The RGB lighting on the scroll wheel is subtle yet vibrant, allowing you to customize colors and effects using the NGENUITY software. Why choose the Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless? Here's why the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless stands out. 1. Lightweight build. At just 53 grams, it's perfect for fast, precise movements. 2. Dual connectivity. Seamlessly switch between HyperX's low-latency wireless and Bluetooth. 3. Exceptional performance. With a 26K DPI sensor and 650 IPS tracking, it's built for competitive gaming. 4. Durability. Solid build and switches rated for 100 million clicks. 5. Customization. Fully programmable buttons and RGB lighting for a personalized experience. 6. Long battery life. Play for up to 100 hours on a single charge. WHO is it for? The Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless is ideal for 1. FPS gamers who need lightning-fast response times and precise aiming. 2. Esports players looking for a reliable, lightweight mouse. 3. Casual gamers who want a premium gaming experience. 4. Anyone seeking a high-performance mouse with wireless freedom. Final verdict. The HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless gaming mouse combines lightweight design, top-tier performance, and cutting-edge features, making it a must-have for serious gamers. Whether you're diving into competitive matches or just gaming for fun, this mouse delivers everything you need for peak performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what game you'd love to dominate with the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 wireless. See you in the next video.